Welcome to Dil Dil Pakistan Unboxing, where we explore the best of Pakistan's food and culture. Today, we're taking you on a journey to Maskan Food Street, one of the most popular food streets in Karachi, Pakistan. Maskan Food Street has been around for over 50 years and is a must-visit destination for foodies. The street has a unique atmosphere, with the aroma of spices and grilled meat filling the air, and the sound of sizzling pans and happy customers. The vendors are friendly and welcoming, and you can see the food being cooked right in front of you. One of the most popular dishes on the street is the nihari, a slow-cooked beef stew that's rich in flavor and spices. It's usually served with naan and garnished with fresh coriander and sliced ginger. Another must-try dish is the biryani, a fragrant rice dish that's cooked with meat, spices, and herbs. The biryani here is cooked in the traditional way, with layers of rice and meat, and it's served with raita and salad. But that's not all. There are plenty of other food options available on the street, including grilled kebabs, tandoori chicken, and chaat. The chaat here is a must-try, with its tangy and spicy flavors that will leave you wanting more. Maskan Food Street is not just about the food, it's also about the experience. The street is always busy, and the hustle and bustle of the street adds to the overall atmosphere. You can dine in the open air, under the stars, and enjoy the unique ambiance of the street. So, if you're a food lover or a tourist looking for an authentic food experience, Maskan Food Street is the place to be. Come and explore the street, try out the different food options, and enjoy the unique atmosphere.